So this is something that a lot of homeowners ask me when they want to go solar. They think that just because they install a solar system at their house, what's called a grid-tied system, they think that automatically, whenever they have a power outage in their neighborhood, that they're going to have backup power. And that's not true. Unless you have battery storage installed at the same time, then whenever there's a power outage in your neighborhood, your system, your solar system, the electronics in there are going to be able to sense that there's a power outage right now, and they're going to automatically turn off the electricity that it's producing. Okay, and the reason for that is because if you think about it, whenever there's an outage, that means that either a transformer had a problem or somebody down the street crashed into a pole, so they send out the workers out there to get up on the poles and troubleshoot. Now, while they're troubleshooting, if your system, which is basically a power plant up on the roof, if your system is producing electricity and backfeeding it up to the poles and down the line, then they could get electrocuted as they're working. That's the reason that whenever there's a power outage in your area on the grid, your solar system is going to automatically turn itself off for the duration. And then once the utility company fixes the problem and they fire back up the electricity, your system is going to be smart enough to detect and sense that the grid is back up. And as soon as the grid's back up, it senses it and boom, it turns on your solar system and your solar produced electricity starts to flow again. Okay, so unfortunately, a lot of people think otherwise, but if you absolutely have to have electricity being produced, powering your home during an outage, during a grid outage, if you have to for whatever reasons, safety reasons, medical reasons, whatever, then you need to consider installing batteries as part of your system to where you're not a grid tied, you're off grid or a hybrid, right? And we'll talk about this kind of stuff on the next videos. I'll see you there. So hey, if you want to see if solar makes sense for your home and what kind of savings and money you're looking at saving by going solar, it can actually take you less than 60 seconds. Just click the button on this page. It'll take you to our online solar calculator tool, and it'll walk you through a few simple set of questions and just enter your phone number. That way we can text you the results and you can get a really good idea on what size system you need, how much energy it's going to produce and what the cost is and all that good stuff, how much you're going to save over the life of the system. And it's really totally easy. So go for it, have fun, enjoy. And if you need anything, feel free to contact me at any time. And I'd love to help you with any questions you may have. We'll see you on the flip side.